Hello friends, welcome to Trion Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Chinese apps banned by the government of India recently. On 29th June 2020, the government of India decided to ban 59 mobile applications from Android as well as iOS platform. Interestingly, all these applications belong to Chinese companies. The reason stated by the government for this ban are concerns on the aspect of data security, safeguarding the privacy of Indian citizens, data theft and unauthorized transmission, and most importantly, threat to the sovereignty and integrity of India. With rising tensions in the Galwan Valley after the violent clash between the Indian troops with the PLA, the government of India had to take measures in order to put pressure on China as well as to take guard against any possible Chinese cyber attack. With rising number of smartphone users in India and increasing use of mobile internet, it was necessary to ban certain apps that pose a threat to the security and sovereignty of India. Let us quickly have a look at the government's press release on 29th June 2020. It says 59 mobile apps which are prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of India are banned. The Ministry of Information Technology invoked power given under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act. There has been raging concerns on the aspect of data security and privacy of Indian citizens. Some of these apps are stealing and transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers outside India. The Computer Emergency Response Team has received several complaints from citizens regarding security of data and breach of privacy. These apps pose a threat to the sovereignty and integrity of India. Here's the complete list of all the 59 apps that have been banned. You may pause the video here and have a look at the names of the apps that have been banned. Let us have a look at Section 69A of Information Technology Act 2000. It says, where the government is satisfied that it is necessary in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states or public order, or for preventing incitement to the commission of cognizable offence, may direct any government agency or intermediary to block access by public any information hosted in a computer resource. The Ministry of Information Technology used power vested by this section to ban the Chinese apps. So why are these apps dangerous? It is because there is a huge number of Indians using smartphones. There were over 500 million smartphone users in India in December 2019. Increasing number of users of mobile internet makes more people vulnerable to data theft. Chinese smartphone companies have significantly captured the Indian smartphone market by providing high specification handsets at low prices. Some of the apps have long been under the government radar for repeated complaints regarding data security breach. These apps may contain hidden characteristics that can enable Chinese hackers to steal sensitive information and even carry out cyber attacks. Chinese companies are required to provide information to the Chinese government as per the National Security Law of China. Let us see some of the most popular apps that have been banned. TikTok tops the list as it has over 200 million active users in India. Other big names include ShareIt, Likee, Sender, CleanMaster, UC Browser, WeChat, CamScanner, Club Factory, ES File Explorer, Selficity, Weibo, and so on. If you want the complete list of apps, the link of the press release is given in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get regular updates.